Welcome to my today's class, and today we are going to look at this question that is going viral on the internet right now, and this question is as follows. The question is 8 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2. Now, as we all know, such questions we have to use the order of operations, which is abbreviated as BODMAS. As I have written here, this is the meaning of BODMAS, or this is the order of operations, whereby we have to work out the question that is in the brackets. Then you have orders or of division, multiplication, addition, then lastly subtraction. So this question, 8 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2, then you close the bracket. It has two conflicting answers, one being 16 and the other one being 1. Let us see which one should we go with. I'm starting with the one which gives us the answer as 16. According to the first working, they have worked out 8 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2 into brackets. They have just said 8 divided by 2 is the same as 8 over 2. Then they worked out what was in the bracket, 2 plus 2, which is 4. Then you have 8 over 2 into 4, which is the same as 4 into 4. Then they said now 8 over 2 times 4 is the same as 16. Let us start from this part here. When they wrote 8 divided by 2 and wrote it as 8 over 2, this is where they went wrong, because 8 divided by 2 is an equation and 8 over 2 is a number. So the error is, when they said 8 divided by 2 is the same as 8 over 2, they had already worked it out. This one is already worked it out without working out the brackets. So 8 over 2 is 4. It means you just worked out this one before opening the brackets, which was totally wrong. Therefore, for today, I can say this answer is not right. Another question I can ask you, 8 divided by 2 or 4. Do we start with 8 divided by 2, then work out of 4? Or we just take 2 of 4, then we divide by 8? If you argue the way you are arguing the other side up here, it means we are going to take 2 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, then the answer you multiply it by 4, because of is also the same as multiplication. So therefore, this one takes us to this rule, which is a rule of implied multiplication. Implied multiplication is just a multiplication without a multiplication sign. An example being a number outside the bracket with another one in the bracket, or of. And the rule of implied multiplication states that implied multiplication should be worked out before another operation. Therefore, this one now takes us to our second working, which the answer is 1. 8 divided by 2 into 2 plus 1. We have this 8 here, which is a dividend. Then we have 2 into 2 plus 2. We take it as a single unit, just because of a rule of implied multiplication. 2 into 2 plus 2, it means it's 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2. Remember the rule of implied multiplication, and we open this bracket now, whereby we have 8 divided by 4 plus 4. The 4 plus 4 is derived from 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2, whereby we are going to find our final answer as 8 divided by 8, whereby the answer is 1. For today, I think 1 is the correct answer. However, multiplication or mathematics, we allow challenges. You can comment on the comment section below in any area you like me to talk about on my second part of the same questions. Don't forget to subscribe and dial the bell so that you can get the notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.